In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant's black screen on startup. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are trying to load up Valorant, but it's coming up with a black screen and it's not actually loading through into the game, then I've got two fixes that you can try to hopefully resolve this problem. First, what you're going to want to do from your computer's desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, click onto here and type Valorant. You should see Valorant come up underneath Best Match. From here, what you want to do is right click and then click onto Open File Location. Then what you need to do is again right click onto Valorant, make sure you've clicked onto it to highlight, and what you want to do is come and click onto Properties. If you don't see this here, click onto Show More Options and you should see Properties come up, so give that a click. And what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now from here, come up to the top, you can see we've got some different tabs, and what you want to do is click onto Compatibility. Then what you need to do is a couple of things we're going to change in here. So you want to tick the box up here to run this program in compatibility mode and make sure this is selected to Windows 8. If you come down to the settings section, you also want to tick the box here to disable full screen optimizations and also tick this box to run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, click apply and OK. Start Valorant up and see if that resolves the problem. Now if that didn't work for you, another thing you can do is if you come back to your desktop, come back down to your search box at the bottom, and this time you want to go ahead and type services. Underneath Best Match, services should come up, give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now on here you want to locate something called VGC. So this is in alphabetical order, so you just want to scroll down to V. It's going to be right towards the bottom. Now, just a note, this isn't going to appear on all computers or laptops. If you do have VGC, what you basically want to do, I don't have it myself, but I'm going to explain to you what to do. Say this one was VGC, what you would do is right click, and on this menu click onto Properties, and you want to come up to Startup Type and change it from manual to automatic. Now, after doing this, make sure to click Apply and OK if you do have VGC, and that should resolve the problem and allow Valorant to start up without the black screen. So that is how to fix Valorant's black screen on startup. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.